Well, thousands of travelers are trying to hit the skies, and delays and cancellations from the snow are making travel pretty tough. Let's take a look at FlightAware's misery map right now. Over 1,000 delays, hundreds of cancellations as well. Winter weather like this can wreak havoc on a trip, and airlines don't do much to compensate you for those problems. That's why we're speaking with Suzanne Morrow. She is the CEO of InsureMyTrip. Their global headquarters is actually in Warwick. Suzanne, thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So Suzanne, a lot of people don't know when they should actually get travel insurance. Is it worth it for the specific trip they're going on? What do you tell people?
I basically recommend travel insurance regardless of your trip. The peace of mind that comes with having it is priceless. I can't put a price to it, especially days like yesterday and today.
I was going to say you can't predict storms like, yesterday and today until like the week before. So what rights do travelers have when an airline does delay or cancel because of weather like this?
So not much, right? Because it's considered an act of God. So the airline can't predict it. So the best that they can do is reschedule. And that doesn't always mean it's at your convenience. It means it's when they can get you out of wherever you are onto the next flight. So kind of at their mercy.
Okay, so you don't have to pay for that, but it's also it could not be at a preferable time depending on what you're looking for. What do travel insurance plans typically offer if weather cancels or delays your flight? Do you have more options then?
So if you have travel insurance that covers delays and cancellations, that's going to give you coverage that airlines don't have to pay for. So things like incidentals, hotels, food, within a reasonable expense, right? So the airlines are never going to cover those sorts of things. So it's something, if you're traveling during the winter when you could be delayed for who knows how long, it's a good thing to have in your back pocket.
And how much is travel insurance typically? Because I think in my head at least, I'm wondering, will just paying these costs up front on the off chance that something does happen make more sense than investing in insurance depending on what that costs?
Sure. It can be as low as 2% of what your trip cost is to as much as 20+%, depending upon the sort of benefits you're looking for as part of that insurance. So you can get something really inexpensive with great benefits.
All right, Suzanne Morrow, CEO of InsureMyTrip. Thanks for joining us today. We appreciate it.
Thank you very much.